Welcome to the second part of our final due diligence on JOBY. If you've not watched the first part, please do that before you proceed. As always, please show your support for Stockertim by subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell. Let's go. Where is the competition? JOBY Aviation's progress in the eVTOL industry has been nothing short of impressive, with significant strides in aircraft development, regulatory certification, and commercialization. As of 2024, JOBY is actively engaged in flight testing with multiple production prototypes and has made notable progress towards achieving FAA type certification. JOBY is currently at approximately 37% completion of Stage 4 in the FAA certification process, focusing on testing and analysis. The company has conducted over 1,500 flights with its pre-production prototypes, covering more than 33,000 miles, which includes successful public demonstration flights in urban settings like New York City. JOBY aims to complete the certification process by late 2025. JOBY is also ramping up its production capabilities with plans to manufacture 1 aircraft per month by the end of 2024. The company recently completed its 3rd production prototype and is working on additional units, indicating a robust manufacturing pipeline. While JOBY leads the eVTOL sector, its competition is immensely steep. Competitors like Archer, Lilium, and EHang are also making significant progress with unique technological advancements and strategic initiatives. And as the eVTOL market evolves, the competition is set to intensify. In terms of technology, JOBY's competitors also have unique propositions. Archer Aviation, developing a rich air taxi network primarily in Los Angeles, stands out with its Midnight eVTOL, which features a 12-rotor design aimed at safety and efficiency. Archer is nearing completion of a high-volume manufacturing facility and plans to launch commercial services by 2025. The company has established partnerships with airlines like United Airlines to support its operational goals. Lilium NV has also been working hard with its unique jet-powered design with 36 ducted fans targeting long-distance travel. Lilium aims to launch its air service taxi service by the mid-2020s, with first customer deliveries expected by 2026. Lilium's partnerships with airport operators highlight its ambition to integrate into existing transportation networks. EHang Holdings is also prepped as a success story in the eVTOL industry, with its specialty in pilotless eVTOL operations, and has already delivered its EH216S aircraft. EHang, with its focus on autonomous flight, has received massive production approval in China and is expanding its international partnerships. If you are still watching, we are happy to keep you watching. Please click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to keep you up to date whenever we share new episodes that will add value to you and your portfolio. You are watching Stockertim, the investors channel, certified to lead. In terms of certification and testing, JOBY Aviation has made significant strides in the FAA certification process for its eVTOL aircraft, recently completing the 3rd of 5 stages. As of February 2024, JOBY completed the 3rd stage and is now focused on the 4th stage, which involves extensive testing and analysis for FAA credits. JOBY aims to complete the 4th stage testing by late 2024, with plans to begin Stage 5 shortly thereafter. The company has also received a Part 145 repair station certificate from the FAA, allowing it to perform specific maintenance tasks, further solidifying its operational capabilities. JOBY has also conducted 1,500 flights with its prototypes and is actively preparing for commercial launch by 2025. JOBY has successfully completed 30 for-credit tests, validating critical systems such as flight electronics and structural materials. Archer is also progressing through the FAA certification process, but has not disclosed specific percentages of completion. The company plans to launch its air taxi service by 2025, indicating a similar timeline to JOBY. Archer has been conducting flight tests with its Midnight eVTOL and is working on establishing a high-volume manufacturing facility. However, detailed comparisons of their testing milestones relative to JOBY's are less transparent. Lilium is targeting the mid-2020s for commercial operations, but has not publicly detailed its progress through the FAA certification stages. This lack of transparency makes direct comparisons with JOBY's certification's progress challenging. Plus, Lilium's unique jet-powered design may require different certification pathways compared to JOBY's multi-rotor configuration. Also, Lilium's focus on long-distance travel could affect its regulatory timeline. On the other hand, EHang has received mass production approval in China, but has not yet secured FAA certification for its EH216S aircraft in the US. This places EHang at a disadvantage in terms of entering the US market compared to JOBY. EHang's focus on pilotless operations may also complicate its certification process further, contrasting with JOBY's piloted model that aligns more closely with existing regulatory frameworks. You are watching Stockertim, the investors channel. Bulls versus bears. As a leader in the eVTOL industry, JOBY has captured the attention of bulls and bears alike. The bulls, on one hand, see JOBY as having immense market potential, given the expected growth in the eVTOL sector. Analysts estimate that the global helicopter market could reach $76 billion by 2030, and JOBY Aviation aims to capture a significant share of that market with its innovative electric air taxi solutions. Despite being non-profitable currently, bulls find JOBY Aviation's valuation particularly appealing considering its high gross profit margins and substantial cash reserves. The company has raised funds under favorable conditions, setting it apart from other electric vehicle firms that have opted for SPAC routes. Analysts suggest JOBY could seize up to 20% of the combined helicopter and light aircraft markets by the end of the decade, leading to a projected valuation of $45 billion. JOBY Aviation boasts strong technical expertise and progress towards FAA certification, which are seen as robust indicators of growth prospects, despite skepticism from short sellers regarding unit economics. Analysts also believe that JOBY Aviation remains attractive for future investments given its leading market position and recent fundraising successes. Automotive OEMs, hard tech investors, and technology-focused funds may continue to support the company financially. On the flip side, bears are raising eyebrows over JOBY's profitability. Despite positive short-term trends, JOBY Aviation reported a net loss of $123 million in Q2 2024, indicating ongoing operational challenges and perhaps a very tough route to future profitability. Bear-side analysts do not anticipate profitability anytime soon for JOBY, faulting the company's financial management practices. While some bulls see value in JOBY Aviation's valuation multiples given future market potential, bears argue that trading at a high revenue multiple suggests investors are pricing in significant future growth without clear evidence of immediate operation or even profitability. Short sellers have also expressed skepticism regarding JOBY's projections and unit economics, causing dips in stock prices despite technical advancements and progress towards FAA certification and full-scale operation. Don't miss out on any of our in-depth stock analysis. Subscribe to Stockertim and turn on your notification bell to stay informed on how to make smarter investments and grow your wealth. You are watching Stockertim, the investors channel. JOBY's NYSE sojourn. a tale of promising negatives. JOBY has experienced significant fluctuations in its stock performance since its initial public offering, IPO, in 2021. The company has yet to achieve profitability, with net losses widening over the years, raising concerns about its long-term sustainability and ability to scale operations effectively. JOBY's stock price has seen considerable volatility since its IPO, with its stock price pegged at around $10 at IPO. JOBY's current stock price traded below $6 per share as of mid-October 2024. This represents a decline of about 40.2% from the IPO price. Over the past year, JOBY's stock has underperformed compared to the broader market and industry averages. JOBY has dipped minus 8.5% in the past year. Meanwhile, the US airlines industry returned approximately 29.8% over the same period. The stock's volatility is notable, with a beta of approximately 1.97, indicating it is nearly twice as volatile as the overall market. With a current market cap of $4.01 billion as of mid-October 2024, JOBY's last reported revenue was $1.08 million, with a net loss of about $331.46 million. Despite the current challenges, especially with JOBY's earnings projected to decline by an average of 8.9% per year over the next 3 years, bull-side analysts forecast potential growth for JOBY Aviation. Revenue is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, with estimates suggesting a growth rate of around 65.38% annually. Despite its having up to 30% upside by the consensus analyst price target, investors remain cautious due to JOBY's high cash burn rate and ongoing operational losses. More importantly, JOBY's likelihood of diluting current shareholders to raise capital in order to shore up its free cash flow will continue to be a plausible bear case against the stock. The company's ability to convert its innovative technology into a revenue-generating business and a competitive moat in the eVTOL segment and the air mobility industry will be critical for its future and performance of its stock. So what do you think about the future of JOBY's stock and the company as a whole? Please like and share this video. And more importantly, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on our next episode of Final DD, where we dissect the investment case for a major stock that can add value to your portfolio. Until then, keep investing, keep growing. From Wall Street to the Main Street and across the global financial markets, you are watching Stockertim, the investors channel.